It is 2 pi here. What should be the period of sec theta?
What?
What is the
Period of
period of
sec
sec?
theta.
Yeah.
Period. Okay. It's
-1 union 1 to infinity. Is this correct, or do we have open at -1 and 1? Tell me. Do we have open at -1 or 1, or is it correct?
no. I think it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was. Yeah, I was thinking. Sorry.
Okay. The period is 2 pi here. What should be the period of sec theta?
What?
What is the
Period of
period of
sec
sec?
theta.
Yeah.
Period. Okay. It's what? Wait.
It is 2 pi.
I get confused with like really small questions. Like yeah.
Okay. So all of this.
If you would have asked me like, oh, calculate this, that, but like, if someone asks me like a very direct question, I'll get like very confused.
Hmm. So you have to find the number of solutions of this where x is 0 to 2 pi. And mod x equals to sine x. Number of solutions, okay? Can you tell me the number of solutions of y equals to x and y equals to sine x right now?
1 second, I'm just taking a screenshot of the. Yes. Yeah, a number of solutions of y equal to x and y equal to sine x.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Draw its graph.
0. No,
0.
I mean it's at 0, but the total
Yeah,
solutions is 1.
correct. Okay, what about mod x and sine x? So if you draw the graph, it's something
Isn't that
like,
the same thing? Like,
I mean,
isn't that also 0?
at 0, right? So only one solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. And what about x equals to tan x? So you will see you will have here infinitely many solutions. So that is why I have restricted to this particular interval so that you have some limited number of solutions. Okay, some very basic things. Okay, also one more thing. This is used very smartly sometimes. See, let's say you have some LHS written and so equal to some RHS. You know, I love this idea. Sometimes what we do is we try to find the range of RHS. And if LHS is equal to RHS, that definitely means LHS should also be in the range of RHS. Right? Then only they could be equal. Tell me one thing. Let's say LHS is having a range of 1 to 2, but this is having a range of 2 to 3. Can you tell me when would they be really equal? How many points? Only one. That is at x equals to 2, right? Because let's say this is 1,
Mm-hmm.
this is 2.5. They're not equal. But if this becomes 2 and this becomes 2, so then they're equal, right?
Yeah.
So we use this idea a lot. Trigonometry especially a lot. Okay. You only tell me. This has a range of all real numbers. This also. So that doesn't mean that there will be infinitely many solutions. We have to solve for it. We have to make the graph and all. But this just is telling me that, okay, there will be solutions. Let's say I was having the range of, let's say I have to solve a equals to b. And the range of this is, let's say, from 1 to infinity. And the range of this is from uh, -5 to 0. So can you tell me what are the number of solutions of this equation, a equals to b?
A equals to b
Number of solutions?
0.
Correct, because they don't have any common point in the range, right? So they can never be equal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Also, can you try this question right now? Number of solutions of sine x equals to log 10x.
Sin x equal to log tan x. Okay. It's 1 second. Sorry, I was trying to explain blue to her, which is okay. Um, yeah, sin x and log. I mean, if we draw the graph, I think there will be one solution, right? Like,
Oh, see, if you say like this, then that is wrong.
wait, no,
You're
I
sure.
don't think so.
You are saying no solution.
Wait,
Yeah, we had sine x equals to log. Wait. Tell me one thing.
I think one solution. No, no, no. Wait, two solutions? Yeah, two. It depends on the range, right?
Okay. How many do you get now? Sine x and log 10x. Right.
Two
Um,
or three.
one here, right? On the left hand
Two
side, we don't
there.
have any because my this only starts from the this fourth quadrant. Wait, what is this?
Yeah,
One is over here, and the other is
two are there.
over here, and that's it. These are not intersecting, so further won't it also won't intersect. Three solutions.
Yeah.
See, the
Mm.
thing with this question actually now problem not a problem. This all comes in curve sketching. You need to be very apt with how to sketch curves. For that, we use calculus a lot, right? We judge how the slope is working. Let's say something is more steep, something is
Mm.
increasing or decreasing at a more faster rate. Sorry, at a faster rate like that. Okay, we check all of those things. And next question this. So here the good thing is x and y are independent variables. So if some product is equal to 1, and what are the cases? Either they are 1 into 1 or it's minus 1 into 1, minus 1. You will also tell me that it could also be like 2 into 1 by 2, or let's say n into 1 by n. But problem here is sine is only in minus 1 to 1. The range is this only. So none of them can be this, right? So that is why we only have these two cases. Now you have to find, basically you have to equate sin x with this, sin y with this, sin x with this, sin y with this, find all the possible number of pairs. Okay, you can do this. Can you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so please do it later. Number of solutions of e power x plus e minus x to sin x. See here now, this is a transcendental function. This is a trigonometric function. Range analysis will help me a lot. Find the range of this. Okay, the very interesting question. That's why I told you that range concept. Okay, very interesting. Uh, Another question: number of solutions of sin x is greatest integer of x. Okay,
Give me like.
number of solutions of cos 100 power x. Okay, 100x.
You want me to do those questions?
Yeah, and homework.
Oh, okay. I started doing them. Sorry.
Yeah, all of these are homework. These are very good
Wait, let me
questions. Please
just check.
read.
Yeah. I keep forgetting to send you the homework. I'll remember this time.
Okay, can you arrange sine 1? sine 1 degree and cos 1 in an ascending order? Or just tell me which one is the largest. Okay, now see, I told you, by convention, we consider all of this in radian if nothing is written, because
Can I
radian is
think
the
for like a moment?
SI unit of angle. Yeah, you can think. Try this.
I think sine 1 is the greatest. Sine 1 degree is the smallest, so cos 1 is in the middle. Yeah, is it sine 1, cos 1, and then sine 1? Like sine
Okay,
1
so we
degree,
okay,
cos
so
1.
we know sine 1 is approximately, because we know 1 radian is approximately 57 degrees. So sine 57 degrees,
Yeah.
right? This is sine 1 degree. Now we know for sine theta, if theta like tends to 0, so answer is 0, right? So yeah, this is like very small. But what about this? Because we know sine is like increasing somewhere, then decreasing somewhere. See, if it was what? See, this is pi by 2. And we know from 0 to pi by 2, so basically 0 to 90 degree, it's increasing. So more the angle, higher it is. So definitely this one is greater than this one, right? Okay, now where do we place this? So this is approximately cos 57 degrees. Okay, the graph for this is something like this, right? This is pi by 2. So cos, this is obviously, you can say this is
Practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.